Welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm your host Ruchi Bharani. Today's episode is extremely special because 10th May is Mother's Day. I won't be able to see my mom because of the lockdown, but I'm bringing a recipe that's really special to her and she enjoys eating. It's very quick and easy, so let's see the recipe for Nariyal Paratha. So first I'm going to start with making the dough. I've taken 1 cup of wheat flour here. Into this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of curd, a pinch of baking powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon ghee, and now let's start mixing all these ingredients together. Add some water. The dough needs to be of the same consistency as you make parathas, not very soft. This dough is ready and now I'm going to let it rest for at least 10 minutes. Just apply a little bit of water on top so that it doesn't dry out. Next I'm going to start with making the filling. So I have a cup of grated coconut here. This is fresh coconut. You could even use dry coconut if you have that. I'm just going to slightly roast it for a minute or two. And I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Keep stirring at all times. Basically, I'm just trying to dry roast the coconut. So I've been roasting this for 2 minutes. This is done. And now I'm going to get it off the flame. I'm going to remove this in a plate and let it cool down completely. Once this cools down completely, into this I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of pistachio powder. My mom basically loves pistachio, that's why she likes adding pistachios in this recipe. As well as 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, give this a mix. Just break all the lumps of the sugar if there are any. This filling is ready and now we're going to stuff this in the dough and make parathas. Take a portion of the dough and make a depression in the middle. And now into this I'm going to fill the stuffing. Good amount of stuffing. Seal it and make a ball. Just spread it with your fingers a little bit before we start rolling it. And now apply a little bit of dry flour and roll the paratha. Smoothen out the edges slightly. And now onto a hot pan. Let's cook this on a hot pan on medium flame. Cook it for a few seconds on both the sides. Apply ghee. Flip it over. apply ghee on the other side as well. And let this cook till you get some brown spots. This is beautifully done on one side. Cook it well on the other side as well. Press it lightly. This is well done on both the sides. Let's get it out in a plate and also make another one. This paratha is ready too. And now I'm going to cut this into 4 pieces and serve. You can hear the crunchy crust of the dough. This is another recipe from my mom's collection. It's super delicious and simple. Just serve it by itself and enjoy it. Do subscribe to Rajshri Food, comment below, and definitely give this a try. And to all the mothers out there, wish you a very happy Mother's Day. See you soon. Bye-bye.